This is the FFR Trading Market Minute. And again, this is a daily candlestick chart of the SPY, the ETF for the S&P 500 that we track week to week here. A few weeks ago, I had pointed out the downside target here, felt that we would sell off and hit that target, which we did. And then I let you know that we'd be oversold at that point, expecting a bounce, and gave the upside target here. And I had said that on this day right here, whatever the high was on this day, which was up here, if that high got broken the next day, which it did, then we would probably see this target, a high likelihood that we would see this target, this resistance here. And that's exactly how it played out. It's always nice when that happens. Now it hit the resistance and it's sold off here. We had our Fed meeting yesterday. The Fed did not change interest rates, but the likelihood of any interest rate reduction in the near future is pretty much off the table here. So the market is going to have to absorb that and try to figure out what that means. You know, does the market need to be repriced at that point? What we're getting is earnings season here. So we've had some mixed bag. We've had, Amazon did well, but AMD was a bit of a disappointment. That sold off. Amazon's moving higher today. So I think that is going to probably keep us more in a sideways, probably a little more bearish than bullish here, but will probably keep us in a bit of a sideways range for a bit till the market kind of digests all this new information, gets through earnings season, and there's really no room for disappointment here. So like I said, companies that blow away the earnings will probably do well, or hold up during this period, but those that don't are going to get corrected. So we're looking probably for more sideways action. If we do happen to get back above the resistance here and they hold above there, maybe pull back and test it and it acts as support, right? That might be a change. The downside here, I've got another downside target here below the support that we just reached a couple weeks ago. And that is this line down here. We'll have some more probably institutional demand in this area if we do come down there. If we get oversold on the RSI again, we'd probably, same situation we had here, we get a bounce. If it comes down again here, we're probably going to get a bounce. All right, but we'll see how that plays out. Expect more sideways action until we can get through these earnings and the market can digest all this new information here. Not many impactful economic reports scheduled for next week. Thursday, we'll have the initial jobless claims and continuing claims, and then Friday's Michigan consumer sentiment. And again, the lack of economic data may also feed into that sideways action that we may see in the S&P. All right, hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week. We'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.